welcome back to my channel Shri Kanara. Today I'm in my kitchen because I am making an instant easy Oreo cake. To start with, you will need some Oreos, 50 ml of boiled milk, a microwave safe container, and some sprinklers, which is optional. So let us start the process. I have taken 50 ml of milk and 3 Oreos. Now go ahead and first add 3 Oreos. To get the correct consistency, we may add few more. As the consistency of our mixture is very liquidy, I am going to add more Oreos. So I am going to add in 2 more Oreos, which makes it 5. As it's not very thick, to be safe, I am adding 1 more. So in total, I have added 6 Oreos and 50 ml of milk. This was the consistency I was going for. And this is ready. Now we are going to pour in the mixture in the microwave safe container. But to make sure it doesn't stick, we are going to grease it with some butter. This is how our end product should look. Now you can pour the mixture in the microwave safe container. Keep it in the microwave. Set the microwave to 3 minutes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. To check if your cake is properly cooked, take a toothpick and poke it inside. If the toothpick is all soggy, that means it's not. But in our case, it's not soggy, so our cake is properly cooked. As you can see, our cake is ready and it's ready to be iced. This is cooked properly from inside out. To make it look more attractive, I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. Now I'm adding some sprinkles. You can also use cupcake containers, and you don't need to add any sugar as we are adding Oreos. And if you like it extra sweet, you may add sugar. And now our cake is ready to eat. And now it's time for a cake montage. liked my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. It's good.